Hello again, we're back with part 2 of lesson 15. This is again division, and we're looking at dividing 8 and 1/10 divided by 5. Now let me just go over something really quickly. When you're going to convert this one into this kind of division, this is a horizontal division. We're going to make it into a vertical division. So this is how you always do it, and this is a common error for my students. So this is why I'm doing this. So you will write that first. You write the first number 8.1 divided by 5. That's how you write it. If you are doing this, some students do this: 5 divided by 8.1. This is not correct. The first number, it has to end up inside the box. Okay, I hope you review that and you remember that. So let's show 8.1. This is the number that we're going to divide 8.1. So it says that we have 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ones. And we only have 1/10. 1/10. It says that we have to make groups of 5s. Well, let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here is a group of 5. So the answer is 1. The 5 goes, it's found inside the 8 one time. Again, let's do this. 1 times 5 equals 5. You place the 5 right below the 8 and then you subtract. Now we know that we have decimal point right here, correct? So now we lower the 1, right? And let's see what's going to happen over here. So we have 31 tenths. But over here we only have 1/10, which means that these ones become tenths. So it's going to be, this 1/10 is going to be, one whole is going to become 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9, 10. And this other one is going to become 10 dimes. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now this is also no longer a 1. It's going to become 10 dimes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now if we follow the instructions over here, we're going to make groups of this. That's correct. We got to make groups of 5. So now we ask ourselves, how many times a 5 goes into 31? And again, those of you guys who know how to multiply, if you have the 5 times a number, it has to equal a number that is close to 31. Okay, it has to be closer to 31, not 31, but 31, close to it. So let's make the groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now we have our answer, right? So what's the answer? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the answer is 6. So now we know that the answer here is a number that is close to 31, which is 30. Okay? So it's going to have a remainder of 1. So we're going to write the answer on the quotient, which is up above here. And then we do the same procedure. 6 times 5 equals 30. You write the 30 right below the 31. And make sure you align the numbers, please, because that's crucial. It's easy to make a mistake if you don't. So take away 31 from 30 from 31. The remainder is 1. Okay, please don't borrow on those numbers. Just count up and you will get your answer. Okay, now since we cannot divide this one here, we're gonna convert it in hundredths. So this is why we add a 0. See, now we have 10 hundredths, and this we have to lower the 0 here. So now we have to convert this tenth into hundredths, which equals 10 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is no longer 1/10; it's now 10 hundredths, which matches what we have here. Now we make how many groups of, how many times the 5 goes into the 10, and that goes into it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It goes in it 2 times, so our answer goes on the quotient. Now again, we got to multiply this. 2 times 5, and then we write the answer below. Why do we do that? We have to make sure there are no remainders. So That will be 10. 10 minus 10 equals 0. So our remainder is 0. Now we have the quotient, which is the answer of a division. And so we know that 8 and 1/10 divided by 5 equals 1 and 62 hundredths. Now let's write that as a decimal, as a fraction. So that will be 1 and 62 hundredths. Okay, that will be the same way, a different way to write the answer. That will be mixed number with a fraction. This will be a mixed number with a decimal. Okay, so we are finished. We're not using the thousands, so make sure you watch the video again and do it again, just not one time, more than once. This is not hard, it's just learning the steps. Have a great moment with mathematics and make it your friend. Signing out, your coach, Mr. Magno.